Happy New Year. It's Peter Dellane, broker owner, Ability Mortgage Group. And we got some new tax stuff that came along, and I want to go over a little bit of that. Try not to butcher it for you. As always, please check with your accountant or your CPA. But we still have a mortgage deduction allowed up to $750,000. Used to be $1 million. Could have been a lot worse. Hey, I think it's pretty good news. Here's one. If you have a second mortgage or line of credit, well, whatever, they call them all kinds of different things. But if you have one of those, you can't get your deduction on that anymore. So I'd say pick up the phone and give me a call if you're in Maryland, because we can move that into your first mortgage and maybe set you up for a tax advantage there. Second homes, no more deduction, no deduction on that. Investors, they still retain all that investment deductions and all that stuff. Probably best to check with your accountant on that. So that's some good news. The capital gains, it's still the same as far as 2 of the 5 years you must live in the property, up to $250,000 single, $500,000 separate, or I mean married. So the standard or the local is $10,000. And again, that's not my thing. So go ahead and check with your accountant on that. But all in all, I think it's pretty good news. You know, we still have that ability to have the mortgage interest deduction, and you can take it up to $750,000. For y'all that have those credit lines of credit, you definitely want to. And if they're higher, like if they're 10, 15, I kind of just tell people to stay where they're at on that. Although I watched Prime was 8. I've owned this company for 18 years. I've been in this business for a long time. I remember when Prime was 8.25 before the collapse, and that was what it was. And it came down so painfully slow. Then it got to 0, and all that good stuff or whatever. But boy, when it goes up, man, it goes up in a New York minute. So if you have one of those line of credits and it's heavy, 25, 30, 50, 60, 100, pick up the phone and give me a call, 410-827-5111. You give me an email at peter@abilitymortgagegroup.com. Shoot me a message on Facebook. Yeah, that's another way to connect. So if you have anything like that, certainly reach out to me and make it a great year. Take care.